Hello everybody and welcome to 7th episode or 6th episode? 6th, right? Yeah, it's 6th episode of
Six?
The Forest.
Yeah, six.
6th episode of The Forest. It's just a quick 20-minute episode probably. We're gonna find a katana. So let's go then.
How about you?
Let me eat something. Put some food up if you can. Because I've got to eat something. And then I
I
think
got.
I know
I
where
got
it is. It's next to the ginormous sinkhole and I know where the sinkhole is. So. You have no food. Oh, I've gotta go to kill the turtle then.
Gotta go kill a turtle, man.
Yeah. Just a quick video. Not gonna be. It's nothing too much like they put this to. Just a really
Yeah, it's just gonna be a
quick.
quick one because we've been recording all day and it's quite tiring.
Yeah.
Do it for
This
you
time,
guys.
hopefully, my one's recording as well. Hopefully.
Hopefully. Trying to record the other two, but by the end he realised it wasn't recording, so he couldn't record.
Yeah.
So at the moment I'm recording all of them at the moment,
Yeah.
and I'll be keeping
My
recording
point
every
of
single
view
one.
is much more better, but mine just didn't record.
How is yours much more better? Mine's got more background.
I'm doing things much more quicker, more smooth, running better and stuff. You have when you're like combining something, you're combining it for like half an hour. Okay, let's go. Follow me.
I've got the better graphics, but
Let's go. I know where it is. Hopefully, yeah, let's go.
leader, follow the leader.
Hopefully they didn't change that cave because that cave. It was so easy to find katana. Hopefully they didn't change it.
Hoping you know where you're going, because I don't know where you're going.
No, just go north. We'll find the ginormous hole, and then go to the right. And then
Do you even know you're going
Oh,
north?
wait, let me quickly refill my water. Got it. The only thing we have to find is the ginormous sinkhole, and then from there it's very easy.
Giant sinkhole. Sinkhole, it's like a giant cavern, like hole thing.
No, it's actually a sinkhole. Oh, that's a one of ginormous of a tree. Oh, I don't think we can chop it down. Look at it.
Well, you're a bit more further ahead than I am. See? Yeah, you can't break that.
I found a sinkhole, so we are very easily getting there now. Is it a sinkhole or a shore? It's a shore, not a sinkhole. Go more this way. Oh dear!
Oh dear! Oh dear, no!
Okay, let's go then. Coming?
Walking backwards.
This deer really likes us.
Hang around and stay with the video. Bye.
We have to get the sinkhole. Once we get the sinkhole, which is one of the ginormous things in the middle of the map,
Yeah.
the katana from there is just super easy. And I think it's somewhere near here. A boat on the shore.
Come on, come on, come
Wait.
on. Why are you so far ahead?
I don't know, but I have to find alloy. Because I'm infected apparently. Alloy gets rid of this infection. There's people in here. 4. But there's another shore. There's shore in here. I don't want a shore. Wait, one sec. Is that a big... But that's where we were before. That's where the cave is. The other one. And next to this cave there's a sinkhole, and I just found it. Okay, let's go. are you?
Behind you.
I can hear them. But we don't care about them, we keep on going. To drink sodas. I ran out of soda, so I can be slower now. Is that a sinkhole? That's a sinkhole. Now follow me.
There it is.
To go all the way around it now.
This is the sinkhole, and if you fall down there,
You're dead.
you're pretty much dead, and you're never ever gonna get your stuff back.
Not only because you're gonna die of fall damage, also there's like a crap ton of mutants in there. And cannibals everywhere.
Where did you go?
I'm very far away because you're very slow.
I was just looking at the sinkhole, telling them about the sinkhole.
We cannot let it go to night time. And we have to upgrade our katana because it's very quick. We have to upgrade it on damage. So all the speed goes to our modern axe because we want to chop down things as quick as possible. All the damage goes to katana because we want to do as much damage as possible.
No, with like a whole row of teeth. Ugh.
I think that's where it is. Next to the sinkhole.
I think it's just like straight ahead,
Yeah, I think
and
so
it's
too.
and then it's a bit right.
Yeah, that's the village where it's next to. There should be someone here near here. Try to snipe. Oh, I thought I was gonna snipe you.
That was
I've
a
got no more
close
arrows. That was my last arrow.
one.
And also I think they moved the cabin. Yeah, they moved the cabin of the plane. They moved it somewhere else. Okay, let's go here first because that's where all the arrows and thing is. And there's like a metric crop ton of arrows in there. Remember? That's where previously it was the cockpit on this island right here. That's where the katana cave is right there. But here, there's another cave, and it's the chainsaw cave. This one right here. So, in an episode after, we're gonna get a chainsaw. That's where the... Oh yeah. Arrows. Arrows everywhere. Arrows everywhere. And flares as well. I don't need flares that much, I need arrows. No, I don't want flares, I want arrows.
Oh. I want flares, not arrows. No, I want flares, I want arrows.
So I'm gonna put in the middle here, I'm gonna put a marker.
It used to be right there on that little tiny island.
We've got so much markers around, but this one's gonna be a special. This one's gonna be a blue one, say, where the chainsaw is and where everything is basically.
Blue. Oh god. We shall get through this.
Hopefully they didn't upgrade it. Hopefully the katana is still there. And it's gonna be... I can't even change it. Oh, here, okay. Blue. Let's go.
Blur. Blur.
Okay, yellow is one cave, red is another cave, purple is another cave. Another yellow is, I think, is the big village, and the blue
Where are you going?
To the katana cave.
And this one.
No, that's the chainsaw cave over there.
Where's the katana?
Where are you?
Well, I'm far.
I'm gonna wait for you, don't worry. I'm gonna kill a rabbit meanwhile. Let me just real quick find the cave. With a hope they didn't change it. Nope, they didn't change it, it's still here. It's the katana cave.
Ages ago, before we even did this save, that's like literally near where we used to be.
Yeah, you keep on being here. There's a lot of rabbits in here. Ah, escaped.
But I don't know when they updated it. They must have updated like quite recently, or quite
I'm
long ago.
sniping rabbits. They're getting so sniped. Good, 2 hours.
You sniper.
Here we go. That's where the cave is. Let's go down.
That's probably why you're called. That's probably why you're called American Sniper.
Please tell me they didn't upgrade it so there's cannibals in here. Before there was a mutant in there, but it was very easy. Wait, what?
What?
I swear it's different. No, it's not. It's the same.
I don't remember what it looked like anyway.
Yeah, it's the same. Very good. Collect all the cloth.
Yeah, it's the same.
Going up.
Oh, part of a robot.
That's where the animal is, look. But I'm not
I don't
going
get
there. We're going right here, where the katana is. That's where the katana is. Come here, Scott.
Getting cloth.
Katana is very near, and katana is very good. It's super quick, and once we upgrade it, it can be super powerful.
Yep.
And that's the weapon we're gonna get revenge on the cannibals in the first episode.
Yeah, we probably will do that in a couple of episodes later.
Yeah.
Like after we got the
Let's,
chainsaw
like,
and
fully upgrade katana. Once we do that,
yeah, that might
there
take
it
quite a
is.
while.
There it is. I just got a
We call
katana.
Katana.
And a booze and watches which we need for making bombs and food and medicine and more medicine and more food
Right.
and
Oh, there it
money. Money.
Here
money,
you go,
money,
guys. The Katana.
Money, 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 money. And right
Oh,
next
shit.
to this cave, there's a chainsaw cave, which has a chainsaw, which is even quicker chopping down trees.
So speedy.
That's the fuel
But-
for chainsaw right here.
That blocking.
Oh! Scott? It wasn't there before. Look where I'm throwing my thing. It's mentioned.
That's where we came out from.
No. Because there's like wood in there to break.
Oh, this is where we came out from. So, oh god, that's strange. I've never had that.
What? You cannot upgrade the katana. Well, it still does more damage and it's much more quicker done. Look
Good.
how quick it is.
I know, I saw them.
I think that's one of the I'm gonna combine it straight away with my backpack and put it instead of the axe. So now I can just put it out straight away.
Stereo. Where all sodas.
Where's sodas? Where's sodas?
Sodas.
Oh, I wanna get sodas. Sodas are useful.
And some more sodas.
How much sodas? All the sodas, get all the sodas. Oh, there's booze. Oh. Just booze. Okay.
Oh, it's just where someone died. Apple there. Oh, that's lovely.
Okay, let's go. Should we finish the video? Or should we get chainsaws as well?
Should we get let me see how. Depends how far the chainsaw is.
It's very close. But a lot of caving.
Yeah, we could do it quickly, and
Okay,
then
let's go then.
we could call it.
Getting 2 new amazing items.
Yeah, the 2 amazing items. 2 items that you need.
So
The only
guys,
2
we're gonna
items
get a chainsaw and then really quickly we're gonna get it just really like a super rush. There's gonna be a few monsters in there, but we are prepared. We've got a crap ton of TNT, that's what we need. And we're gonna get chainsaw and climbing axe as well, because climbing axe is on the way.
quite cool as well.
Climbing axe, you can climb rocks on.
Where are we going? Oh, is it this way? Oh, the opposite as it used to be. Down there.
Where are you going? Hopefully
Where
it's
are
not
you
night
going?
time. Hopefully. But we're just gonna go a little
Let's
bit.
go,
and
let's
then
go,
find
let's
a
go,
cave.
let's go, let's go. All I see
Amazing.
is your legs. All I see is your legs.
We're destroying this episode. We've got katana and chainsaw. Basically, katana is like an amazing weapon. If there's any cannibals out there, I'm gonna show you. And
Yeah.
Scott's gonna show as well. And chainsaw is like cutting down trees. Like
Yeah.
in 2 seconds, you do and it's done.
The only thing bad about it
Yeah,
is you have to have fuel, but obviously
but
you need
fuel is very easy to find. Okay, it's night time, but we've got katana. We're not scared of nothing.
We are not scared.
Come at me. Come at me, let's go.
Come at me, bro. My friend, until I kill you.
I just killed that lizard. Instantly. I think this series have a feature on our channel. This series, we're gonna get like 100 episodes. Maybe not 100 episodes from season 1.
Yeah.
But 2 episodes, like more seasons as well.
Yeah, I might do seasons or like every 20 episodes or every 10 episodes we do a series, and then we can take a little break and then we can come back in like season 2
There's a
with
village in
new
here, so you have to be careful because there can be people. Although I'm almost full, I've got almost half armor and katana, so I'm not scared of nothing.
I'm not scared of nothing.
And I made a crap ton of arrows, which are modern arrows, which are very good.
Come on, run.
And for energy. I just have to find some alloy.
Through that.
That's where chainsaw cave is. You coming?
Yeah.
Let's go. You go first. There's no one down there, so don't worry. No, should we sleep first, actually? Come back up. We can sleep in here, I'm sure of. No, we can't. No, we can't. Let's go.
Up and down. Oh, there's a bit of lag.
It takes like 10 minutes from here to get the chainsaw.
I wouldn't say 10 minutes, I would say like a couple of minutes.
No,
If we
have
rush.
to do like all the parkour and stuff. Is it there? That's where it is. Let's go.
Oh. Is it this way?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we have to do the
The
parkour.
thing.
Really parkour. It's just like, get down safely. I lost half my health.
I didn't any.
How do I get down now?
I'm gonna revive you anyway, so come. Wait, let me just get a flare. Toss it down there.
No, it's that jump.
Oh, I thought it's gonna be
Okay.
much.
Oh hello. Oh hello. Oh, 3 people. 4 people.
We've got katana spot.
They're running at me. Ow.
This guy just got wrecked by my katana. I cannot attack with this thing.
Oh hello.
How quick is that? I just killed 2 people with katana.
Oh. They didn't even know I hit them.
I'm dead.
They didn't even know what they hit them. What hit them?
Let's set up a fire because I'm getting cold. Oh crap. let's burn those bodies. Meanwhile. It's much more like that. Make some bone. Oh, my creepy armor's gone. Let's cook some food as well.
Four bodies.
Yeah, this episode is gonna be a pretty fun one. Because we've got
Yeah,
Katana.
fun, quick, and exciting. Burn. Yeah, bodies. Burn.
Bones, get the bone. Oh no, I'm on fire. There's water here. Water. Galaxy bones. I'm gonna eat something.
I need some more bones.
Get some more bones. And straight away make an armor out of that. You know you can make bone arrows, which are good as well. Oh, this one didn't even burn. I've got... I had 100 cloth for a second.
Got 89. Skulls.
You need 6 bones for 1 armor. I've got 4 right now.
Skulls.
Huh?
Why do we? Oh my god, you're so deaf. Need skulls.
Oh, we need skulls for, like, there is, like, lights. I'll show you one sec. Like, just like this one did. Just find it real quick. Oh. Get skulls for that. Finish it. Are you gone again?
What? No.
For... Yeah, and this gives us light. Don't break it! Okay, let's go. Let's keep on going then. I think there's gonna be some babies down here in a second.
Yeah.
Yeah, down here there are babies. And wait, I've got my molotovs. Such nice. GG.
Hello. Light it up for you.
He's lit. He's lit. I'm going down there. I'm going down. Okay, just got absolutely roasted by me. Careful for the babies. For babies.
Whoa! Now you got any.
Kill them all. 2 more. Go.
What
Wait,
kind
let me
of?
kill them.
Take the light out of this.
Okay, and get the climbing axe. It's right here.
Oh,
That's
really?
the climbing axe, guys. You can climb up rocks with it. Did you get the climbing axe?
Yeah, you can climb up
Yeah,
these.
let's go. That's where the chainsaw is, right here.
But
We will
Type
need
it in.
dynamite, and there's gonna be quite a few enemies, but...
we can do that. We got
Easy.
katanas.
Guys, do you now see how overpowered Katana is? Literally, I can just four-shot them, and you go like shoo 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 shoo.
Or you used to always die every single time.
Yeah,
Every
now
single
I'm
episode.
not scared of nothing. I'm not scared of nothing.
The thing you're scared of is the big fat thing,
We're,
and
we're
then
gonna
it's
we're
good.
gonna get nice as revenge on them, very easily,
A nice revenge. A very nice revenge.
for them trying to kill us and keep on chasing us. Chase us now. Try to chase us now.
They still will. They still will.
They will.
Because they're
Oh,
not
wait.
stupid.
Scott, do honors of throwing the dynamite. Light it up first, though.
Eddie.
Light it up, yeah. Throw it.
Bombs away!
And look at the rocks. Coming. And
Oh! Look what I got, Philip.
what did you get? Creepy armor. What did you get?
Torch.
Oh, a torch! Where did you get it from? Where is it?
I just found it.
I have it as well!
I just found it. Torches!
Oh, that's so much nicer! Okay, now we
So
can
much
go now.
better than stupid lighters.
Okay, wrecked.
Yeah, but it don't give like it only gives specific light to that bit. It doesn't give light to everywhere. Even baby fly.
I'm not. I'm just wrecking them. He just got. It's wrecked.
I don't even know if this light is actually good. It's not the best.
It is. It's much better. Because you can hold it in one hand, and the other one you can attack. The other one's going
Shut up, you stupid babies.
Sodas! Get all the sodas. The dudes get all the dudes as well. I'm gonna create a few.
Yeah.
Okay,
Buddy,
let's go. I know where the thing is. Come here, follow me. Where the chainsaw is, Scott.
Sword Town. I hope there's no people here.
No, if there are, we're gonna wreck them. Oh, behind you. Two.
Getting some meds because I was low on health.
Okay, I just killed one of them. In
Good
like
one.
3 seconds. Without taking any damage whatsoever.
Flipping scared me. There.
Scott, some meds, and the chainsaw is right here. But there's much a couple of points first, so.
I don't know if this light is actually better or not. Better, this light or the lighter. If you do think it's the lighter, put in the comments saying it's the lighter. If you think it's the
I
flashlight,
found the chainsaw, it's right here.
I think it's flash. Oh, here comes one to you. Because I think there's a light. I think light is
5, 6, 7. Come here. Okay, dead. He didn't even have a chance to hit me once.
the chainsaw.
Chainsaw. Get it. And it acts as a weapon as well.
Yeah, it's quite dangerous.
Can wreck everyone. Some rope.
Can't see. I really think lighter is better.
No. Do you have it on Blockbuster? If you have it on Blockbuster, that's better. Okay, let's go. Follow me. Let's leave this cave. Or should we finish here?
Go out and then finish
But I have
as well.
to because I have to save. I have to save. Do you have 14 sticks? How much sticks do you have?
How many sticks do
Go
I
one.
have? I don't know how many
Okay,
sticks I
let's
have.
go out first and then.
I got 3 sticks, but I don't know.
Okay, let's go. Do you see, guys? We've got 3 new things. They're all good for us.
The torchlight, the katana, and the chainsaw,
And the climbing axe, so 4.
and the claiming axe. So it's 4.
4 things in one episode, done.
Jesus. And it was about 30 minutes, 20 minutes done. But like 20, 30 minutes.
And that's where we can use our climbing axe. Get out our climbing axe. And get out of here.
I'm in. Oh.
Press E.
Shoot down, but now you have to press E. They changed some things about this, but I don't mind. Yes.
Oh
Watch
no,
it.
it's the one with the rebreather. It's the one with we have to go back the way we came.
Oh, you're serious.
Just
Oh.
drop.
I was thinking of dropping, but I
Just drop
don't.
down. It doesn't do any damage.
I realized how far it is.
On this one, I have to drop down. Not drop down. Actually, yeah, this one I have to slide.
Another tunnel.
If we find some sticks, we're gonna finish the episode because I have to save. Once I save, then.
Oh, that's not it. It was another cave, but you have to go. You have to do the breather again.
Yeah, you have to get a rebreather.
Is there anything annoying?
And to be honest, I do not know where the rebreather is. There's a baby here. Oh, there's metric captain of sticks here, so I can save.
Oh yeah, save that way. Yeah, we did. It's been quite a good episode. This has been.
Yeah.
Like one thing at a time in each episode, but in today's episode we have done quite a few things.
You save as well, just in case. Okay. Let's finish the episode then.
Zed.
Oh. And in the next episode we're gonna probably continue our base or get a revenge.
Yeah, we might do revenge next episode.
Yeah.
Yeah. Revenge will be sweet.
Yeah, I hope you have guys enjoyed. If you did, like and subscribe. We have done a lot of things, so it can also act like a tutorial what to get and where. These are the easiest ways to get those. So yeah.
We're just gonna quickly get out and... Oh yeah, come on.
The next episode is gonna be tomorrow, isn't it? Yeah.
Tomorrow, and there'll be 3 or 2 more new episodes tomorrow. So... for those episodes, because it'll be more fun!
It's today's 3rd episode today. And so much. This one I think is the best one.
Yeah, we done 3 today. I'm not sure if it's the first one. I think it's one of the best ones, but I don't know what the best one is because
I mean,
they're all
as for finding, this one is the best one, and for exploring, the first
yeah,
one.
as for getting
The
items and
second
that
one
kind
we
of.
have died a lot, and we was raging for like half of the video, so it wasn't as great, but it's still very good.
Yeah.
Okay, we have to use our time to
Oh. E. G is your bony leg. Bony leg, get it? Because you got bone armor.
Lol.
Jokes.
The outrance is very near.
Yeah.
So
So if you wanna watch more of this content, really please do subscribe. It really would help me, and I just love having more subscribers. It really means a lot.
Yeah, 50 people
So-
watched the previous video. No one subscribed. Guys,
But no one subscribed. But
you
can
have-
you first person to subscribe? Just it only takes a couple of seconds just to probably
yeah,
click
ju-
the
just,
button.
Just press escape to do not full screen, and move your mouse just like 0.5 seconds, and just click, which is another 0.5 seconds. How much is it?
or
2
tiny.
seconds.
Scroll down and then subscribe
It's 2 seconds.
if you like this.
I don't think you require scroll down. Just do it.
Yeah.
And the outros is here. So we're going.
Yeah.
I think torch is better for caves, and lighter is better for outside. Because torch covers less area, so it's good for.
Well, yeah.
For me, the sky is really weird. It's like when I'm in a cave, when I'm not. No, it's still. Okay,
Still dark.
It's still dark. It's still dark as well. We've just slipped. Oh, we can test out the chainsaw. Look, guys, look at that. Let's go.
Test out
3,
the
2,
chainsaw.
1, go. Done.
Literally in like less than a second.
3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 seconds.
But it depends. It depends on how big the tree is.
Yeah, if it's like the small one, it's very easy.
Like the really small ones, then it's like 2 seconds. But if it's like a thick one, then it's
So
quite
we
quick.
don't even need the modern axe anymore. We only need it if we run out of fuel. Some meds. Don't need that all.
Stop chopping down trees. We're not even using these trees.
Yeah, I know. Okay, let's finish up the episode now.
And plus they're a bit noisy.
Okay.
For watching, and we shall see you in the next episode.
Yeah, I will see you in the next episode. See you later.
So from me, Hyper7, goodbye, and from American Sniper,
Yeah, see you later.
subscribe, thank you so much, but if you don't, okay.